Looking to create something fun and unique with your own hands? Make a charming origami frog, a funny little paper toy that can move its tongue. This isn't just a craft, it's a mini puppet show made of paper that comes to life in your hands. It's sure to surprise your friends, decorate your room, or become a fun little gift for your family. Here's what you'll need: a sheet of green paper, some glue, a pair of googly eyes, a small piece of red paper for the tongue, and most importantly, a little bit of creativity. This craft is perfect for kids, school projects, or even adults who enjoy hands-on fun. The steps are so easy that even a child can do it, and the result feels like real magic. Just follow the video step by step, and in no time, you'll have your very own frog with personality. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. It means the world to us and helps us bring you even more creative ideas.